Hello, my name is Rebecca Robinson. I am the Chief Risk and Compliance Officer and MLRO at Tenora. So it's always been quite a big frustration for me trying to find that right level of balance between finding an onboarding solution that can really facilitate and help to drive the onboarding with speed, but also being mindful we're still there to protect the wider firm from a financial crime perspective. So trying to find that level of balance in a solution has almost been very, very hard. We're really excited to see the implementation through of Strise, the fact that it has that end-to-end from the minute that you can actually build out the process of collecting the KYC to then plugging the KYC into an underlying customer risk assessment, which can then be used to drive and fuel your ongoing customer risk assessment to really help us support moving away from periodic reviews is going to be fundamental. The efficiency that it's going to give us whilst being able to manage support costs is absolutely key for us as a business. And we're really excited. The fact that it has that capability is the first we've seen. I'm really excited to push that forward with them. They'd be brilliant to work with.